questions which we are going to answer very sharp. We've answered them before, but I just want to there are some that were added to this list of questions, okay? The following are permanent effect except, we said all of the following are permanent effect except endothermic effect. This is not a permanent effect, all right? So option B is the correct answer to this question. The following can exhibit conformational isomerism except, conformational isomerism can occur in all of these apart from ethene. Ethene cannot, because ethene has a double bond carbon, so it cannot exhibit conformational isomerism. Is that okay? Conformational isomerism is only for alkanes and cycloalkanes. Is that okay? So that makes option A the correct answer. Identify the one which does not come under the organic addition reaction. We have hydrohalogenation, dehydration, halogenation, hydration. Which does not come under this dehydration. Dehydration is elimination reaction. It means removal of what? Dehydration means removal of water. It is under elimination reaction. All right? Now, the next one. The next one. Which compound has the highest melting point? All right? We have said that the correct answer is decane. Then the next one, the reaction represented by the equation is cracking. We said cracking is a reaction whereby alkane break down to give us simpler alkane, alkenes, and other smaller compound. This alkane, this alkane, this another simple alkane. So the correct answer to this question is cracking. Then the next one, find the odd one among the following. We have alicyclic compound, branching compound, aromatic compound, heterogeneous compound. There's nothing like heterogeneous compound. We only have heterocyclic. All right. All are true except about resonance except it is associated with the localization of electron. It confers extra stability in compound. Acetate ion can exhibit resonance. Saturated compound can exhibit resonance. Saturated compounds cannot exhibit resonance. Is that okay? Saturated compounds cannot. It is usually for unsaturated system. Unsaturated. Is that okay? Then the next one. The hydrocarbon in which 4 valence electrons of carbon are fully occupied is called saturated hydrocarbon. An example is alkane, not cycloalkane. All right. Then the next. The decolorization of bromine water test for alkane is basically what? An addition reaction. The colorization of bromine water test for alkane is an addition reaction. All right. The following are physical properties except we have solubility, boiling point, melting point, reactivity. Reactivity is not a physical property. Which among the following is not a class of organic compound? Electro compound, nitroamine, carbonyl compound. There's nothing like electro compound, so that is not among. All right. The next one. Which of the following is false about mesomeric effect? Continuous propagation can occur as long as there is conjugation. It occurs in saturated system only. Mesomeric effect does not occur in saturated system. It occurs in unsaturated system. All right. Now, the correct structural entity is now if you have a bond attached to carbon, just one bond is supposed to be CH3. If you have two bonds, CH2 for 2 bond. CH is 3 bond. CH4 is not supposed to have any bond at all. While CH3 is supposed to have 1 bond. So the correct answer is option C. All right. The number used to identify the position of a substituent or functional group in an organic compound is a locant, which we have discussed. Then the next one. Between cyclopropane, cyclobutane, and cyclopentane, which of them has the highest steric strain? We say cyclopentane has the highest, sorry, less steric strain is cyclopentane. The one that have the highest is cyclopropane. All right, exactly. So the correct answer is cyclopropane. Is the one that have the highest steric strength. The one with the less one is cyclopentane, and I have explained before. Which of the following contains pi bond? SN2, something like this. That you guys were giving something like this. The one that contains pi bond is this last one because it can be written as sodium, then triple bond N. Here, this double bond, two are pi bond, one is a sigma bond. So if this is the option that we are given, option C is the correct answer. All right, depending on the options given, option C is the correct answer. All right, let's see the next one. Sodium fission test can be used for the following except it cannot be used for calcium. It can be used for sulfur, nitrogen, halogen, but not sulfur. All right. The substituent of benzene ring are, we have two substituents of benzene ring, phenyl and benzyl substituent. Now, if benzene ring, if you just have this ring like this, it is called a phenyl ring. Then if you have this ring attached to CH2 like this, then attached to something, this is a benzyl ring. All right, take note of that. The smallest alkane that can be used to form a cycloalkane is the cyclopropane. All right, cyclopropane is the smallest alkane that can form cycloalkane. All right, the simplest organic compound. The simplest organic compound known is methane. All right, that is the simplest organic compound known. All are characteristics of sp hybridization except it forms compound at a 180 degree. Yes, it is divalent. It has two pi bond. Yes, they have two pi bond. It forms triple bond with carbon. This divalent is not a characteristic. All right, so take note of that. How many carbon must alkane have before it is considered a higher alkane? Must have 5 carbons. Is that okay? 5 carbons before it is considered a higher alkane. Take note. I've explained this methyl, para, and ortho. So I think we are good to go. So that is all for now.